Dear students, in the previous session we have studied about digestion of a food in human being. Now let's do one activity given in the textbook, that is 6.1. What they ask? They ask take lime water. Okay. Now lime water is what? It is calcium hydroxide, which we have studied in chapter number 1. Now in a lime water, they ask us to blow air with the help of syringe. Okay, the injection the doctor used to apply, that syringe we have to take and blow the air in it. In first case, okay. In case 2, we have to blow air by mouth using straw. Okay. Now what will you observe over here? In a test tube, in one test tube where you have taken this, no change takes place. It means it remains colorless. It remains colorless. Okay. But when I blow air using straw by my mouth, what happened that I find it out some milky appearance. Milky appearance. This means, what does this mean? This means that the solution turns turbid. Okay. Okay, white color જેવું આવે. What does exactly happen? અને આપણને ખબર છે કે ફર્સ્ટ ચેપ્ટરમાં when there is a change in a color, because this is chemicalમાં કઈ change થયો, it means that there must be some chemical reaction takes place. So now what is that? How? When I blow the air through syringe, there is no change. Okay, when I blow air through my mouth, so what is that? The air coming out from our body contains carbon dioxide. So from where does this carbon dioxide produce? From where does this carbon dioxide produced? So what exactly happened there? That carbon dioxide production takes place. Then it's a study takes place over that. Let's say one more activity, where activity number 6.5. What the 6.5 activity says? Okay, we have to take a fruit juice or a sugar solution and then add some yeast in it. Okay, and then you fill it with a one whole cork. એટલે આવી રીતે bottle beaker ले लेवा. This is conical flask. Okay, this is my cork. The cork is embedded into that one. एक hole કરીને અંદર એક tube રાખવાની, નાની capillary tube હોય અથવા તો small glass tube is there available, which we have to keep it over here. Okay, for an opening. Here I have a sugar solution. Okay, and certain amount of yeast I have added. Now yeast બને એટલે શું થાય? You know કે આપણે ઘરે fermentation process કરીએ છીએ, એટલે કે આથો લાવીએ છીએ તો શું થાય છે? તો કે we see ખમણ ઉપર, કેકમાં, હાંડવામાં, you see small pores. Why this pore comes out? Because the fermentation takes place and the carbon dioxide gas coming out. Now this carbon dioxide gas coming out in a human being, same is applied in the animals as well. What this CO2? Now is the sugar? Is it a common one? Let's say sugar is a starch. Okay, it's a kind of a carbohydrate. It's a kind of a carbohydrate. Actually, not a kind of a hydrocarbon. Sorry, carbohydrate. It is a carbohydrate. Now, carbohydrate, so where does it produce? It produced in a plant. Barabar? Plant. So now, in plant and in humans or in animals, there is something which is giving us out carbon dioxide without they taking it. Yes, in plant the carbon dioxide is utilized, but in that one respiration, it was the photosynthesis in which the carbon dioxide was utilized, but here it is coming out. Okay, so what happened? What do we call that? When we take oxygen and give away out of carbon dioxide, we called this process as a breathing. That process is called breathing. But how this carbon dioxide produced in our body? Now the carbon dioxide produced in our body with the help of one reaction taking place in the cell. In the cell. What exactly happened in the previous session? We have seen nutrition. In a nutrition, what happened? That food is converted into simple absorbable form. Now this simple absorbable form is transferred to the cell through blood. The transportation system we are going to see next. Okay, so in this way, when a blood food comes to the cell and blood supply it oxygen, here a reaction takes place, and due to that reaction oxygen burns glucose to give you carbon dioxide, water vapor and energy. This energy is utilized by us to do different life processes. So guys, this is exactly opposite of respiration, the photosynthesis. So this process is called respiration. So dear students, we are going to study about respiration. Now what is respiration? Respiration is the process in which food is oxidized into energy. Food is oxidized into carbon dioxide and water vapor and also releases energy. So it's nothing but we can say it's an oxidation of food. So the respiration is carbon dioxide is nothing but it's an what we call it as a byproduct, okay, or a byproduct where it is waste material which can be thrown out of our body. કેવી રીતે? તો જો 5 મિનિટ માટે નાક બંધ રાખો, hold your nostrils over there and wait for 5 minutes. What happened? You are not able to breathe properly. You will feel like that you are not feeling easy. You will feel uneasy. Now why exactly happened? Because the carbon dioxide is not coming out. Okay, when it does not come out, think about it. If you 1 minute you are not able to do this, then how harmful this carbon dioxide for our body, and that's why this has to be thrown out. So guys, respiration doesn't mean breathing. Breathing is a physical process. Yes, it is the first step of respiration, but it's a physical process. It's a physical process where only exchange of gases takes place. What does it happen? Exchange of gases takes place. Now this exchange of gases takes place, and that's why it is called a breathing, where inhale, exhale, that comes out. What about respiration? Respiration is an oxidation of a food, where food is break down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide, water vapor and energy. This energy is in the form of ATP, which we are going to discuss now. So guys, respiration takes place in two things, okay, one in human and one in animals. One in plants. What do we understand? તમને એવું થશે કે પ્લાન્ટ ની અંદર do they respire? Yes, they respire, but not during daytime. They respire during night time. Okay, they respire during night time. Okay, so this is what it happened, dear students. So please make sure okay, this thing is very clear. Breathing is the first step of respiration, but it is not respiration. Breathing is the first step of respiration, where exchange of gases only takes place, whereas respiration is an oxidation of a food, where the process where for food, it means that glucose, simplest form of the food, is converted into carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, so please make sure this is what we have to study. Now we'll study respiration in animals. So how the respiration takes place in animal, that we are going to study, and what exactly happened in this respiration process. So the respiration, okay, the very important thing is that we have given a chart in a figure 6.8 how the breakdown of glucose takes place. Respiration मतलब समझवानो के breakdown of glucose that takes place in a cell. and that's why this process is also called as a cellular respiration. We call it as a cellular respiration. Now, what exactly happened? Okay, food material taken during the time of a process of a nutrition is used in cell to provide energy, that we already studied. We know that. Okay, so what happened? Diverse organisms do this in a different way. Some use oxygen and some does not use oxygen. Okay, some use oxygen, some does not use oxygen. Clear? So what is that way? In all the cases, the first step is breakdown of glucose. શું થાય બેટા કે બધા સ્ટેપમાં પહેલા તો આ ગ્લુકોઝ લેવાનો. ઓકે, this is glucose, dear student. Now this glucose break down into one part. શામાં કન્વર્ટ થાય છે? તો જો it contains a 6 carbon. એ તો સમજાવો. But what is that? It is converted into pyruvate. Pyruvate. Now this is one molecule. હવે આ pyruvate માં કન્વર્ટ થાય છે અને this step takes place in cytoplasm. This step is take place in cytoplasm. Okay, this is what taking place in a cytoplasm. So this is what we have to understand. આ શું છે? ગ્લુકોઝ છે. What is the formula of a glucose? Everybody knows about the formula of a glucose. ને જેને ના ખબર હોય એ આજે યાદ કરી લેજો. C6H12O6. This is molecular formula of a glucose where I have a 6 carbon. Okay. હવે pyruvate માં શું થાય છે? તો કે pyruvate is a compound which contains 3 carbon molecule. એની અંદર 3 કાર્બન હોય એવો એક મોલેક્યુલ ડેવલપ થાય. આની સાથે સાથે it also produces energy. તો ગાઈસ આની જોડે જોડે શું કરે છે? તો કે મારો બેટો એ તો કરે છે પણ એની જોડે એ એનર્જી પણ લાવે છે. ઓકે, એક વસ્તુ રહી મારે લખવાની, જે અહીંયા હું લખી દઉં. લેટ મી રાઇટ ઇટ ડાઉન ઓવર હિયર કે this all things takes place in the presence of oxygen. અહીંયા ને હમણાં. ઓકે, this is not the pathway. Okay, clear. This is the first thing that we have to understand કે ભાઈ 6 ગ્લુકોઝ ના કાર્બન ને કન્વર્ટ કરે છે 3 કાર્બન વાળા મોલેક્યુલ્સ માં. તો ઇટ મીન્સ કે એના બે પાર્ટ બન્યા હશે. ઓકે, બીકોઝ વી હેવ ટુ બેલેન્સ ઇટ. તો શું કરે? તો કે એ 3 પાર્ટ માં ડેવલપ થાય. હવે શું થાય છે? લેટ અસ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ધીસ થિંગ કે નાઉ ધીસ પ્રોસેસ, જો સપોઝ કે આ પાથ આ રહે એટલે કે નવો પાથ બને છે. If in this path, if they are using oxygen, માનો કે ઓક્સિજન યુઝ કર્યો, બરોબર? તો આ રેસ્પિરેશન પ્રોસેસમાં now it is utilizing oxygen. તો ઓક્સિજન યુટિલાઇઝ કરે તો now pyruvate is converted into 3 things: carbon dioxide, water and energy. This energy is ATP. આ સ્ટોર થાય. આ ATP ના ફોર્મમાં સ્ટોર થાય અને as and when we require this energy is used up. Okay, એટલે આ જે પ્રોસેસ છે બેટા, this process takes place here. This process takes place in the mitochondria. Guys, you have to take notes of it. Okay, તમારે લખવાનું છે. If you are going to write down along with this, watching this video, it will be very very easy for you. Now our respiration, when it is taking place in the presence of oxygen, okay, then this is called aerobic respiration. What is it called? Aerobic respiration. So this is what we call it as an aerobic respiration. Now the second one. What is the second one? In the absence of oxygen. Okay, in the absence of oxygen. So what happened? The pyruvate is converted in the absence of oxygen. I am writing here absence of oxygen. Okay, આ જે pyruvate છે બેટા, આ ઓક્સિજન ને કન્વર્ટ કરે શામાં? તો કે એક વસ્તુ આવે. Actually I need to write down this one. Okay, what happened? It comes out with 3 things: ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Okay, you see the molecules of energies are producing over here. Okay, but the mode of energy will be different. Now here, this kind of that, in the absence of O2, ઓકે, આપણે ઘરે ફર્મેન્ટેશન કરીએ છીએ, બરાબર, આથો લાવીએ છીએ અથવા તો અથાણું બનાવીએ છીએ, તો એને બ્લેક કલરની સોરી એક સિરામિકની એક બરણીમાં ભરી દઈએ છીએ. વાય? બીકોઝ oxygen cannot sorry light cannot enter over there, and even oxygen will not be there. How to prevent it? So by keeping that oil in it. So what happened? Oxygen does not enter over there and no process of oxidation takes place, but ethanol and carbon dioxide gas atom comes out, and that's why this process without absence of oxygen is there. So such a process we called it as an anaerobic respiration. What do we call this process as? An anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic मतलब without the help of oxygen. Okay, and suppose कि what happened कि when तो શું વાત થઈ, oxygen present હતો ને આ હતો, but if I have a lack of oxygen then હવે lack of oxygen થાય क्या है, human beings ની અંદર વાત કરીએ તો when does this thing takes place? તો કે when we are doing some hard work like running, exercise, okay, push-ups, pull-ups, okay, sit-ups, when you do at that time muscles need more oxygen. So whatever the oxygen we are taking from the lungs, it directly go, okay, it goes to the muscles, very much heavily muscles. Okay, and during that time what happened, the whatever the muscles having that energy, the pathway in the muscle cells, what this takes place, pyruvate is converted into a lactic acid. This is very very important to know કે lactic acid આપણે કેમ થાકી જઈએ છે after doing too much work. Why do we get tired? So this is what muscles ની અંદર lactic acid produce થઈ ગયો. શું કર્યું એણે? Muscles has a lactic acid. Okay, along with the lactic acid it also has energy. It also has energy, but the energy which we get it with the help of this is less in muscles, and this takes place in muscle cells. Okay, so dear students, this is what we have to understand about this whole portion. So our muscles, this is breakdown of pyruvate takes place. એટલે કે aerobic respiration process માં પહેલું થાય, glucose is converted into pyruvate and energy is generated. So this pyruvate is what is that? It takes place in a cytoplasm. The first step takes place is a cytoplasm. Now the breaking of that takes place over here. Now if this pyruvate, okay, converted into two parts, what is it? If oxygen is used then it is called aerobic respiration. If oxygen is not used then it is called anaerobic respiration. And if lack of oxygen, then where does it take place? It takes place in our muscle cells where it produces lactic acid and energy. Okay, so what is that? The production of a respiration. What are the product of aerobic respiration which takes place in the mitochondria? Carbon dioxide, water and energy. Energy is in the form of ATP. ATP is known as adenosine triphosphate, which is converted from ADP. What is ADP? ADP, adenosine diphosphate. D मतलब die, बरोबर, that we are not going to right now talk about. પણ આ થાય શું તો કે એની વાત પણ હું કરી લઈશ. What is that? ATP is considered as a fuel for all the activities in the cell. હવે જ્યારે સેલને કોઈ કામ કરવું હોય તો આને બ્રેકડાઉન કરે. આ બ્રેકડાઉન થાય, energy in the form of this as a stored in this one, and this reaction drive an exothermic reaction which taking place in this one, and that's the reason why respiration is considered as an exothermic reaction. So dear students, this is the way where the respiration takes place over here. Okay, so what exactly happened in the night time? Photosynthesis does not take place in a plant, and during night time they gives away carbon dioxide and takes in oxygen. So guys, you have to make sure कि कौन तो के terrestrial animal होय, बराबर, कि plants होय, कि aquatic animals होय, कि aquatic plants होय, they always do respiration, but plants do respiration in a night time, whereas okay, during daytime they do photosynthesis. Okay, so this is the thing which we have to make sure, and how this energy is converted, that we can easily understand from this way. So guys, this is called a respiration. આટલું રાખીએ અને કાલે we will study respiration takes place. How does a respiration, a physical process, takes place in our human body? The mechanism of moving air in and out of our body, that we will see tomorrow. Thank you.